chief guest of this ceremony, Dr. Bimal Akojam sir, dignitaries who are sitting in front of me, my filmmaker friends, film critic, and brothers. I feel greatly honored that my book has been released by Dr. Bimal Akojam. It's a great honor. Thank you, sir. Been released at the international platform on 27th September 2025. That was the first book in the history of the Northeast cinema to release at the international platform from the Northeast. On 27th, the book was released by Consul General of Vancouver, Canada. He is from Ukhrul, Manipur. He is Masakwe Ramshon, and also jointly inaugurated by Mr. Jordan Walker. He is a former MLA, Alberta, Canada. So, to write a book on Pabon is not easy. So, I'm greatly indebted to some persons who have immensely helped me. Before saying on the book about Pabon, I feel that I need to mention those names publicly. Initially, I like to name the two kids called Ashutosh and Dhruva. They have immensely helped me. Among the all people who have immensely helped me, they are the two kids. I want you to give a round of applause for two kids. When I completed writing the book, I sent the whole script to Uttam Dada. He thoroughly read, suggested, and accordingly I followed that suggestion. I would like to express my gratefulness to Tom Dada. Also like to thank Gautam Dada, Gayatri, in Assam called Baido, Didi, elder sister. I'm using the name Baido. Gayatri Baido and Gitanjali. And also in 2016, when we had a seminar at Itanagar, Arunachal, then I met, along with Pabon, I met Radha Priya Devi ma'am. Yes. And apart from the family members, all other filmmakers have immensely helped me. I like to name my friend Pawan Kumar. I think he is not here. Pawan Kumar. He has given his comment in the book. And Bobo Kurajam and Bobby you have beautifully said, reviewed the book. I'm really grateful to you. I like to say, he has said in my day that a person from Assam, he has written a book, what the Manipuri film critics are doing. I'm also a native. When I just got in the airport, one policeman came and said, mate, he wanted to take my document. You made it? I said yes. And I'd like to thank Meena Longam. Meena is here, I suppose. Yeah, Meena, I really thank you for your comment. At the same time, I really thank you because at the 11th India Film Festival, Alberta, Canada, there was a festival, and some of the students of Canada, they wanted to perform and dance in Manipuri songs. they needed Fanek. So I asked Mina, she arranged some Fanek. And thank you, I'm really grateful to you, Mina. And actress Tontoy, she's not here. And Professor Sonia is very Sonia. I'm really grateful because she has done on my behalf. I'm really thankful to you, Sonia. Natasha is also there, I suppose. Yeah, thank you. And one of the veteran and prolific film critic, Megachandra Kompamsa. Thank you so much for your all suggestions and blessings to me. My Paksana, filmmaker, my Paksana, I think he was here. Yes, I'm really thank you, my Paksana. James. Thank you, James, Sanju sir, Makhan Mani sir, and Alexander Po sir, I saw. Thank you, sir, for your support. And his brother Ashok, thank you. And Saikul and I think Omar is not here. There are many other, maybe I could not mention them. I'm really thankful each and everyone who has supported me to write this book. When I was writing the book on Aribam Sharma, earlier in 2016 I wrote a book on Adur Gopalakrishnan, one of the finest filmmaker in India. He is always called after Satyajit Ray. I've thoroughly studied social, political and cultural aspects of Kerala. I have been there in Kerala for a longer period of time. After that, I am very close to Shyam Benegal. From 2016 to 2023, I have been writing a book on Shyam Benegal. They are two prolific filmmakers. Shyam Benegal passed away when he was 91 years old. These two filmmakers have helped me to understand Pabun. I compared Pabun's works, cinematic works, with the filmmakers who do not belong to Northeast, whose films are internationally already well accepted. As you know, which historically it is not till now not recorded. Pabun's Imagi Ningtham was the first film in Northeast to win international award. Janu Barua's film Haladhiya Chorai Mahathankhai, that is called Catastrophe, that was the own best film at Locarno International Film Festival in 1986. That was the first film which were always recorded. Because I know that because my next book on Janu Barua is coming next year. So when I was studying thoroughly from the historical perspective, I could understand that Pabun's that need to be recorded. Pabun's Imagi Ningtham is the first film in Northeast to win international award. That I want to say. Writing a book on Pabun is always a challenge. Challenge for many ways. Number one, his films is not what we see visually. He has a message in different shades. It has a lot of nuances. When I was watching film on by Adur Gopalakrishnan, Shyam Benegal, I have realized that Pabun's films are almost equal and far better in some aspects. But there are some aspects we need to admit that we are from Northeast. We do not have the newspaper, we do not have that television that can carry news at the national or international platform. As you all know about the Ishanu. in what happened. I don't want to discuss about that. Pabung is a living legend in Indian cinema. So about the book, Bobby has already thoroughly discussed. I really appreciate and I'm really thankful to Bobby for analyzing all the stuff. Now I must admit one particular point. When I decided to write the book, it was in 2016. There was a seminar at Itanagar, Arunachal Pradesh. The seminar was challenges faced by Northeast filmmakers. Pabung was the president of that seminar. Meena, Pradeep Purba, myself as a filmmaker was also present. We thoroughly discussed everything. Pabung has given some insights which I never realized earlier. That was the first time I realized that I need to write two books. One on the history of the Northeast cinema, at the same time to write a book on Pabung. That is my way of saying thankfulness to Pabung, who has tremendously contributed to the growth and development of Manipuri, Northeast and Indian cinema. I'm sure if Pabung was born in Iran or Poland, he would have been at the top of the world, I say. But we are living in the Northeast, I say. We are living in the Northeast. Now I'm working on the world cinema, so I understand who are working and what. This is about my way of, this book is a way of my thankfulness to Pabung, who has immensely contributed. Now, coming back to the second part of Golden Beaver Award. Golden Beaver Award, I want to tell you something about the Golden Beaver Award. There's a festival, very prestigious festival organized at state called Alberta, Canada. It was the 11th edition of India Film Festival of Alberta, Canada. This time, they have jointly in quote, because many are confused, it was this award, Golden Beaver Award, was jointly conferred to Pabung and Kamal Hassan. When the festival director Madan Selvaraj wanted to contact Pabung, he had no clue to connect. Somehow he could connect me, and I was there for almost 40 days. I came from Canada 5 days or 10 days back. Madan Selvaraj, I asked Madan Selvaraj, why you want to give Lifetime Achievement Award, the prestigious award, to Pabung? He has written some sentences I like to read out. Mr. Madan Selvaraj, Executive Director of IFA, India Film Festival of Alberta, articulated the sentiment in his message saying that the India Film Festival of Alberta and the Edmonton Movie Club have chosen Pabung as one of the distinguished recipients of Golden Beaver Award along with Kamal Hassan. This award is presented to recognize filmmakers and artists whose careers have left an enduring impact on the Indian film industry. For Pabung's story, he mentioned, it is a tribute to your pioneering role in bringing the rich stories, artistry, and cultural identity of the Northeast to the national and global audience. Your films have not only expanded the language of Indian cinema, but also given voice to a region and its people, inspiring generation of filmmakers. As one of the recipients, along with Kamal Hassan, your name stands alongside other exceptional contributors to Indian cinema. We are privileged to celebrate your remarkable journey at our festival. Unquote. And interestingly, the festival director wanted Pabung to receive the award there in Canada. But as you know, Pabung is not physically fit now. So he asked me, as I was there at the festival, Pabung asked me to receive the Golden Weaver Award on his behalf. And I received the award. Not only received the award, I carried the Golden Weaver Award all the way from Canada and kept the Golden Weaver Award at my house in my drawing room for some days. And today I have brought this award. And now, but I like to say, Golden Beaver. Beaver is a national animal of Canada. Now I would like to request Dr. Bimal Akazamsa to give away the prize, to give Golden Beaver Award to Pabung. Yes. Thank you so much.